Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Andrew Edwards. You're watching Gear Live. I just got back from the Samsung Galaxy S10 Galaxy Fold launch event. I did a vlog about the event over on my Instagram channel, which you can find down in the description below, but it's just instagram.com/Andru, my first name, which is spelled A-N-D-R-U. But a lot of people always ask what it's like to go to these events, so I figured why not just take that story from Instagram and upload it right here. It is vertical, and a lot of people do watch, most people do watch these videos on their phone anyway. So if you're interested, here it is, the journey to Galaxy S10. Oh, and be sure to keep an eye out for some of your favorite tech creators. Heading over to San Francisco today for Samsung's Galaxy S10 events. But hey, let me know, what phone do you currently use, and are you looking forward to the new Galaxy S10?
Once you reach your row, go ahead.
Stay safe and make eye contact with drivers while you're trying to cross the street. Landed, I am now out here in San Francisco waiting for my Uber so we can head over to the hotel. The car situation at this airport is always a mess. What the hell's a Toyota Venza? There it is. What kind of car is this? All right, now that I'm here in the room, all checked in, I'm gonna go grab some lunch. Then I'm gonna come back, set the camera up, and shoot the Q&A with all the questions that you guys sent in. All right, now that I'm done with lunch, I am getting ready to shoot, and I think this right here would make a pretty decent background. Look at this guy. It's Kevin the Tech Ninja. Out here in San Francisco for events, you see people. You see people you know. Like these guys.
Figure it out.
Grabbing lunch here at the taqueria. I'm going for tacos and tots.
I did a story like you today. I'm a followers
There
of
it is.
India need to know what I'm eating.
Look at Philip's Fire shoes, bro.
Yeah?
Look at Philip's Fire. Does anybody know what this says? How do you translate?
What did
Let us
Pharrell
know.
Williams want to tell us?
He said he's going to get us in. He's getting us into the 50% off store. I just don't have any crazy characters on it.
It's fine. They complain about everything that's different.
Notch isn't even that big of a deal.
It's not a huge
It's way prettier than the alternative what could have been. You know, like more bezels.
Yeah.
Thicker bezels.
Yeah, it's
everywhere.
like, just take it.
Look at this guy.
Yeah. Right, we're here for our Samsung. Oh! It's the man. Look at Jonathan Morrison showing off the Airy. It shoots good, but it's no iPhone, trust me. John, how much is this camera, though?
We got on social right now.
Are we recording? Yeah.
We're about to shoot in slow-mo. We're about to shoot. Oh, okay, we're putting together our light. Shout out to Jonathan Morrison, TLD. Loaned us his light for 2 hours. So that means you can take the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds, which are going to sell for $129.99, place them on the back of the... I just finished my Galaxy S10 video. Kevin up next. Good boy.
One take.
One take wonder.
All of us said one take.
It is almost 2 in the morning and I'm still out here editing my video, which should be going live tomorrow. So I'm editing my Samsung Galaxy S10 video. Got my hands on it today, a day early. And the video is allowed to go live at 11:30 in the morning. The event starts at 11. We probably have to get over there by 10. So So all of that means it is much better for me to get this uploaded tonight or at some point. I mean, it's not tonight anymore, but now before I go to bed rather than trying to wake up and edit it early. So hopefully this gets done so I can get to sleep.
So all you sneakerheads out there, pick up a Galaxy S10 if you want to make your shots and your kicks look even more fire. Up.
2:59, oh, 3 a.m. and I am finally about to export this video. Once it's exported, then I can upload it, then I can go to bed. It is Samsung Galaxy S10 launch announcement day. Waiting for my Uber to head over to the Bill Graham Civic Auditorium here in San Francisco. Why is it so loud out here? There it is. And this is the craziness. Lines on both sides wrapping around the block. Luckily, I get in the media line and don't have to go in the one that wraps all the way around. Yes, sir.
Samsung event, and please have your backpack over.
All right, thank you. There's the Wi-Fi password in case anybody needs it.
That transforms the Fold into a tablet. The Fold is a one-of-a-kind luxury device. And there are limitless ways to use it. The Galaxy Fold's Infinity Flex display gives you a powerful multimedia experience. It has a state-of-the-art 7nm processor and 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. It's actually a system of 6 cameras. 3 on the back, 2 on the inside, and 1 on the front. But already inside, waiting for him. Everything's just like he left it. That is the power of app continuity. And now he can see so much more. The street names, restaurants, depending on the region here. And you can get your... We've gone Infinity display, dual aperture, amazing shot.
These wireless earbuds deliver a premium audio experience with sound by AKG. They look just as good as they sound, and they'll be available starting March 8th.
As well as a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. That's the biggest screen and the biggest battery ever on a Galaxy S device. It includes a powerful new 3D depth sensing camera. We are excited for you to experience that 5G. And this is just the beginning.
Admittedly, Samsung just killed the game today. Great job by Samsung. Now we're headed to pick up our review units.
Definitely.
Everything Apple
well
Pro.
done, Samsung. Big thumbs up.
What's your thoughts?
Hey!
Zach.
Yes, sir.
What'd you think?
Love it.
Love it.
S10 looking good. I'm getting S10 Plus.
Okay, question about the Galaxy Fold though.
Yeah.
I just realized.
Yeah.
So the outside is probably going to be Gorilla Glass, but to fold it, the inside screen is going to be plastic? You can't fold glass.
I don't know, man. I'm worried about how it feels on your hand.
It's just enamel.
This is the man right here. Mike Yeager. Mike Yeager. Hey, man. There it is.
Well, I have a new baby at home, so everything is... So, that's one. There's the auto show. Thank you.
Color.
White, prismatic white.
Ample white.
This style
It's not yours.
of camera hole.
Yeah,
flight.
Here you go. Boom.
This one. What videos? Trash. There it is. Tuna ceviche though. Got the dark breast with quail egg and the A5 Wagyus. This is crazy.
A5 Wagyu on some skewers. It shows us a Peruvian dish where beef, like beef heart or the Wagyu, is marinated for a while, and then it's put on a very hot grill for a relatively short period of time. And what you end up with is a really nice crust that's still really moist and delicious.
I love moist. We out here with the yuzu curd. Then we got cream cheese. Cheesecake.
Cheesecake.